Good morning, students. Now it's time for math session. So bring out your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit 1 of 2 joyful C and take out your maths notebook with your pencil and eraser. Yes, hurriedly. Now open page number 42. So in previous session we did this page before, after and in between. So students, have you done this work? Very good. I hope now you can understand the concept of before, after, and in between very well. Okay. So you have to do practice on regular basis, right? In your maths notebook, right? Now move to the next page. So today we are going to start a new concept. It's about skip counting. Okay. So skip counting tier 2, unit E. Teacher and parent page. Process of perfection. Warm up to generate interest and gauge prior knowledge. Okay, now give each child a number grade from 1 to 100. Give each child a ball of beans. Call out the numbers. Keep counting in twos and ask the children to place the beans on the number called out. Once you reach 20, ask the children if they see any pattern, then tell them to skip counts in counting twos and carry on the activity till they complete the numbers on the grid. Then ask them to read the numbers out loud, skip counting in twos. Okay? Okay, students, now see here are learning resources. Number board 1 to 100. Okay, ball with beans, number grid, buttons. Now see the number grid. Here is 1 to 100. Okay, and this concept is regarding skip counting. So you have to use some beans or buttons for this activity. Okay, first of all, take a chart of numbers 1 to 100, right? And you can write numbers in your math notebook from 1 to 100 also, like this. Make a table like this, right? Now you have to take some beans or buttons, then you have to place on every second number. Keep in mind, you have to place buttons or beans on every second number, right? Like this. So this is number 1, this is number 2. Now we have to place beans on number 2. Then skip number 3. Then you have to place button or beans on number 4. Okay. So every second number like 1, 2. Now start counting from here. 1, 2. Now you have to place over here. Then again 1, 2. Now you have to place beans over here. Then again 1, 2. Now you have to place beans over number 8. Then 1, 2. Then you have to place beans here. Then 1, 2. Then you have to place beans here like this. Okay, you have to do this activity like this. First of all, parent, you have to guide your child regarding skip counting. Then let the child do the activity by its own. Okay, so you have to do this activity. Then once you reach 20, ask the children if they see any pattern. Okay, so see the pattern. Okay, then tell them to skip count in twos and carry on the activity till they complete the numbers on the grid. Then ask them to read the number out loud. Skip counting in twos. Now, once we have completed this activity, then you have to call loud numbers like number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, like this. Okay, so you have to complete this pattern, right? You have to do skip count in twos, right? Then introduce skip counting in threes and fives in a similar manner. Give the children a grid to record their work. Skip counting in twos, skip counting in threes, then skip counting in fives. Jolly. Let us work on the grid. Polly, you mean the grid we will skip count in twos. Jolly. Yes. So these are the dialogues of Jolly and Polly and regarding activity. Okay, students. Now move to the next page. Let's do skip counting, color every second number. So first of all you have to fill this column, circle on today's day, mention here today's date, month, year, and go outside, check out the weather and circle on the weather. It's tier 2 unit E. Skip counting. Now see on your screen, here are numbers given from 1 to 50. Now you have to color every second number. So take your crayon color. You can choose any color or you can take red color also. Now see, you have to color every second number. So like this, 1, 2, then 1, 2, then from here 1, 2. Now you have to color it every second number. Okay, you have to do very neatly, color the box. Okay, then 1, 2. So you have to color number 8. Then complete it. Okay, 1, 2. Now we have to color number 10. Then again count 1, 2. Now color number 12. Then 1, 2. Now color number 14. Then 1, 2. Then color number 16. 1, 2. Then color number 18. 1, 2. Now color number 20. Then 1, 2. Now color number 22. 1, 2. Now color number 24. Then 1, 2. Now color number 26. Then 1, 2. Now color number 28. Color number 30. Now students, tell me where we have to color. Yes. Yes, 1, 2. Color number 32. Right. Then 1, 2. Now color here over 34. Then 1, 2. Then 36. Then 1, 2. 38. Then 1, 2. Then 40. Then 1, 2. 42. Then 1, 2. 44. 1, 2. Then 46. 1, 2. Then 48. Then 1, 2. color to 50. Okay, like this. Now see the pattern, right? Here are number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. So these are even numbers. These are called even numbers. Okay. So in this way you have to color every second number, and you have to do your activity also, right? So students, you have to do this activity first, right? Place the beans or button over the number grid like this. Every second number, right? And you can write numbers in your notebook also and do this activity. Okay, so in this way you have to place some beans or buttons over number 2, like 1 2. Now you have to place beans or button here, then 1 2, then place here, then 1 2, then place here, then 1 2, place here, then 1 2, then 1 2, like this, 1 2, 1 2. So in this way you have to write numbers 1 to 100, and you have to do this activity and your work, right? So do practice at home with different objects, right? So now today's math session is over.